Hey you guys, today's my birthday month, October 24th, 2015. So I'm opening up my 1UpBox I just got in the mail 2 days ago. Well, let's say a week ago. I'm waiting to open it on today. I already pre-cut this. See? Cool. Cool. I think my theme is Nightmare. I like them. Ooh. Jack Skeleton from The Nightmare Before Christmas. To me, this is a Halloween theme now. It's a Halloween movie. That one. And Daryl Dixon, The Walking Dead. Cool. I kind of like the small miniature version of this Funko. It's cool. You can display it. I don't know what this is, but it's a bracelet. Cool. T-shirt. Yeah, let's do it now. My Captain America bed sheet. Let me pause. This is awesome. I like it. Pop Rock Cotton Candy Explosion. Then this is ski mask. Not ski mask. A sleeping mask. Boo. What's this? Cool. Poster. What is that? Luigi, Daryl Dixon, Ghastly and Hunter. Ghastly, Hunter, Boo. That's cool. That. Okay. Cool. Boo mask. Pop Rock. Bonus item. Cool. It's glued up. I like that. What's this? Okay. Follow us for more Halloween giveaway. Cool. Yep. This is the first. Make sure you guys subscribe to 1UpBox. You might win one of this stuff. Alright, peace out. Happy Halloween.